How to turn on background app refresh on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can turn on background app refresh on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to turn on background app refresh on iPhone, you have to understand what it is in the first place. Background app refresh is a feature on iOS devices that allows you to refresh the application in the background even when you're not using it. For example, let's say you have Instagram, right? And when you open up Instagram, if you always want to get the latest feed, you have to turn on background app refresh for Instagram. If it is turned off, when you open up Instagram, you might still be in the old version and not refreshing it, so in that case you have to refresh it manually. That is simply what background app refresh is. And if you want to turn this feature on, what you have to do is just go ahead and then open settings, and once you open settings, go to the option called general. Once you go to general, go to background app refresh. Here you can see I have currently turned off because it consumes a lot of battery in the process, but if you want, then you can simply turn on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. I'll just leave it to Wi-Fi. Now news applications or social media applications are going to be refreshed each time in the background without having you go through them manually. And this is the way on how you can turn on background app refresh on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and then see you in our next video.